Hey guys, this is the 1J I've been building for 2 years. So this is my 1JZ GTE Non VVTi that I'm building from my Cressida. So I bought the bottom end and top end together from someone that I'm now good friends with. And the bottom end was just rebuilt with a warranty tap on it, and top end I got machined at a shop, just acid dipped and cleaned as well. And then I put it together myself. Everything else I had to find separately, so the intake manifold, the runners, all accessories and stuff I ended up buying from Golbeys and stuff like that.
So tell me like what's happening at the front here, what have you done?
So I ended up getting a Ross dampener. I was going to originally go for a normal one, but I was like, may as well get this. A lot of the parts where I was just meant to go for OEM, I was like, simple rebuild. I ended up finding upgraded versions of it on different sites. So like sort of tensioners and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Right, in behind the cover there's another part.
Yeah.
And then you got billet pulleys for this one and this one.
Billet pulleys. Golbeys is down Golbeys as well.
And even though I'm still going stock cams, the cam gears I had were not in the best condition. So for like around the same price, because they were on sale, I just got adjustable ones from PRP.
PRP Adjustable Cams. And is it like one is...
Yeah, apparently, wait.
Like the intake cam, one is it's only on the intake cam side? Something like that, the adjustment?
Oh yeah, like if we were to go tune it up, apparently I think, well, one of them they can touch with stock cams.
Yeah, oh, with the stock cam, yeah.
And then...
Let's move to this side, intake side I guess. Is that so what intake is that, stock intake?
It's a stock intake, certainly. But the total body that came with it was, it had traction control in it, and I didn't want to run that, so I swapped it out for a non-one. It's a bit different.
Yeah. The traction control would think that was because of the flap, right?
There was like an extra flap that you could open.
Yeah. So you removed that.
Yeah. New TPS, like all the new sensors.
Yeah. Oh yeah, all new sensors.
Went for the slide tack valve, for the air control valve.
Yeah. IVAC.
And then for injectors
fuel.
and stuff.
So what's your fuel rail?
BPP top feed fuel rail, and then injectors I went Bosch Expert 1000cc.
1000cc injectors.
I was recommended to go bigger, so 1650 or 2000, but I'm not going E85 right now.
Moment, yeah. I
just want to get this running first on 98 and then go from there. But for coils,
Coil
I kind of went mad. So there was a sale, and then I got GDR coils, genuine GDR coils.
R35?
Yeah, the whole kit. So it comes with the bracket
and
everything.
PRP kit or?
Yeah, it was a PRP one.
PRP
And then
kit,
match the color with the cam gears.
Yeah, you can see the bronze color there. Yeah. Matching with the cam gears, both PRP as well.
And there's no breather hose here because so the cam covers came with the block and stuff, and the original owner had these.
Had these already.
Yeah, we welded up so he could do the catch can setup, which he gave me as well.
All
and
right.
I also have let me see which one I have. ARP Head Studs.
Yeah. So ARP Head Studs as well, which obviously you can't see.
But the stem seals have also been changed for the head when I gave it in to get machined.
What's this thing?
Which one? It's for coolant, so the water neck.
Water neck, yep.
So someone gave me this, another good friend who gave me the other part for this as well, so I'll be running the braided line. And I'll go to the radiator. And it's a 2JZ pump as well, instead of a 1JZ one.
It's a water pump?
Yeah, so it flows better apparently, and it's better because it has metal fins, which I looked at as well. The 1J one didn't have metal fins.
Yeah. Is that, what alternator is that?
It's a stock 100 amp one, I think.
1JZ?
Yeah, 1JZ.
1JZ alternator.
But the pulley I'll be changing again to the other one I had.
Yeah.
And I need a longer belt for that one.
Longer belt, yeah. Why are you going to go the longer belt?
Because the pulley's too bigger. So.
What's the advantage of
the bigger pulley? Since this car's going to be for drifting and stuff like that, and I'm getting into that motorsport.
Motorsport, yeah.
Apparently it's better to have a bigger pulley on the alternator so it doesn't kill it.
Yeah.
Because it'll be in high RPM.
High RPM, yeah, that's true.
So you're going to do that. Oh, and then oh yeah, we didn't even talk about hot side.
Yep. We
Hot side went
talk
with
about the
this-
turbo
yeah,
now.
went with the CX racing kit for my car. It was like even has the piping, all the piping for it on that
See
side.
over
You can probably
there.
see a little bit of it.
Yep.
Intercooler as well. So it's GT35 turbo, and I got still working on the coolant lines and stuff.
Yeah.
But
So what size? GT35?
yeah, GT4.
T4 intake. I mean the exhaust
with manifold as well,
manifold.
maybe.
Manifold's really
And
nice.
I got that titanium stud kit from PRP as well, because my old ones were mounted.
Yep. Titanium.
Oh, and then yeah, let me show you this as well. I got
Of course, the Turbo Smart.
Yeah, Turbo Smart wastegate.
It's a Turbo Smart wastegate.
50 mil.
50 mil EX50,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. I mean, no, that's GFP.
Yeah, yeah, that's just.
I didn't say that. You guys didn't say that.
And then no clutch. I'm going clutchless.
No clutch yet.
I'm going Bluetooth clutch.
Bluetooth clutch. You can see it's over there.
The pressure plates
Pressure
there.
plates there.
And my Bluetooth gearbox.
So how much with the current setup, how much power do you expect to make? On 98.
I don't know.
How much do you want to make?
Yeah, like 300, 400 horsepower is fine.
Horsepower, yeah. You reckon you'll make it?
Need better, or I'm selling all of it and giving it away.
What about engine mounts?
Engine mounts, I went for these, they're not the Golbeys ones, I went for the KE conversion one.
KE
and it has,
conversion,
instead
yeah.
of going the rubber mounts to go to the actual engine,
Yeah,
I went for this trailing style one,
yeah.
which is apparently better power delivery and more stiffer and stuff.
Is this a custom thing to
Yeah.
fit your car?
Yeah, it's made to fit mine,
Made
the
to
Series
fit
2
the
one. Not
Series.
even the Series 1 Cressida. Oh yeah, and then
Oil
deleted
filter.
the oil cooler as well, going sandwich plate, and then,
Yeah.
then from there I'll be got running lines.
Yeah. Was your oil filter there before? Or?
Yeah, oil filter.
Oh, it's not a relocation.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's not full. I would have liked to relocate it, but it was a bit confusing. how-
Yeah.
And I got like upgraded
Remote
Bosch,
mount,
sensors
yeah.
and everything as well, which I don't know if you can see properly.
There.
And I'm keeping aircon because I do want to drive this car around.
Definitely keep aircon
Take it to
there.
work and stuff like that.
In
And,
Sydney weather
Yeah, legit.
and long drives and stuff, definitely need aircon. So what about clutch? What clutch are you going?
So I went with from Direct Clutch Services. I got single plate heavy duty cushion ceramic one,
Yep.
and then they also give me the whole kit. So there's a billet flywheel.
With a flywheel.
I had the ARP bolts,
Yeah, we bought for the flywheel.
and the actual clutches in there. I was just testing it in the gearbox.
Yeah.
Which
So
is,
what gearbox is this?
so this is a AR5 off a Holden, Colorado.
Holden, Colorado gearbox.
So-
Yeah.
But you have to change the bell housing on these and also add a spacer, which I still have to add. So currently the bell housing on it that I added was a R154 bell housing. And then inside
yeah, R154
I had to
bell
change
housing.
one more thing. Oh, and also the billet shifter. This is not like a normal one.
Yeah. Show the shifter.
And I got a
That's nice. Custom made shifter there. That's the shifter there. Pretty cool. So why do you use this box?
So this box is because I wanted to get a strong box because I know I will be abusing the car. So W series boxes won't
Cut it.
Unless I think the Mark IV Super one has a good W series box, but so basically got R154, but they're so expensive even brand new. And AR5s are going cheap, apparently it's the same thing, but even better. So okay, I'll just go with this.
What's the gear ratio like on AR5
I think they're similar, but I think the first gear is shorter, like really short.
compared to
The R154.
R154? Okay, yeah. How come like not many people know about this?
I don't know if we have these boxes here, because these ones were being imported from America.
America,
So the guy
yeah.
who helped me get it, he was from
That's
America.
right. Yeah.
But they are becoming more popular because their
they
prices
are?
are going up.
The people have started to notice to use the AR5 gearbox.
Yeah, because I didn't buy it from him originally because I was gonna do it with the 7A. It was cheaper. I forgot what it was, the price exactly, but like way after when I did get the 1J, he upped the price. I'm like, oh, what the heck?
To get this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Becoming more popular.
Yeah. All right.
Alright. And also I had to change one more thing. It's like the cover and stuff. I had to change the timing retainer cover or something like that.
On the outside.
No, it's inside, so you can move the
inside,
clutch.
behind the
Like,
clutch.
behind, you can't see it.
So
They changed to suit the 154 that one.
So basically, it's like you're bolting in an R154.
basically. So I'll have to bash the tunnel. So when we
Yeah.
we're gonna have to hit the tunnel.
Would you have to do that regardless anyway? Because it's auto? Oh.
Yeah, for this box and R154 or anything bigger.
Anything bigger, yeah.
Strong, you have to bash it. And then there's the intercoolers here. Just chilling.
My Combo style.
So I was gonna go. And then for radiator, I'm gonna get a new radiator, not go for these aluminium ones because I've heard they can't stand Australian heat.
That's true.
So I'm gonna go copper core one, this coil rod one I found, and then I'm gonna strap on these BA Falcon fans on it.
BA Falcon fans, yeah.
Throw my fans on it. So
that's it. Alright, that's the engine and stuff. Let's go to the car and see what we've done with the car so far. To prepare for a 1JZ. Alright, so now we're at the Cressida. So Zumar, what have you done since the last video was the body kit? So what's been done to the car now?
Not much has been done except for wheels, because I keep changing wheels for some reason. And I did get this lip.
Slip, yeah. So just a custom random
Cisco lips.
Cisco, yeah. Just like the kit.
Also, we forgot to talk about other stuff. So it is on BC Golds.
Yep, BC Golds.
Yeah, it's because it's an angle.
Set up by DNA.
Yeah, DNA. And because my lower control arms were like on its way out, I ended up changing them for longer ones, also from Cisco Kids. They're like 25 mil.
Say again?
They're 25 mil extended low control arms.
Low control
arms. And I got like other stuff on the side, so like rack spaces and stuff.
Yeah.
For more lock and quicker steering feel. So that's why the front's a bit wider. Yeah, that's it basically. So
haven't done anything to the engine, right?
No.
To the 7M.
Still
stock. Drop it in. Alright, dude. And I think in the last couple of videos we also did the R33 brakes, so it's got R33 brakes and what? Falcon rotors?
Yeah, Falcon.
Falcon rotors on the front.
Basically, we're done. Almost. I still gotta figure out how to do the clutch stuff because I did mess up the thing, which I will show you actually, because I did mess up today.
Where's that? Yep, there you go.
Yeah, we fucked up the rear main seal. So I'm gonna put another one. And then I can put the clutch on, and then I can finally put this in the car, and then measure for tail shaft, because I need to get that made, which I'm going single piece. And then, yeah, then I have a mate that's gonna help me with wiring, and it'll be finally ready to start.
Alright, so we'll end with this one last question, Zumar, on your 1JZ swapped Cressida build that is done but not done. What ECU are you gonna go?